fasting here in mosque in Bursa after around 4 hours of driving from Istanbul. So they have prayer here. What I observed dito sa Bursa, they have the families are staying outside, no? Just to have some relaxation, no? Here, early dinner in the area. You know, the washing is in the area outside. So if you want to wash your legs before going inside the mosque, tapos the women, they're required to cover their head. It's one of those na mga old na mga centuries old na mosque still standing here in the city of Bursa. Alam niyo ba kung saan banda yung city ng Bursa? It's a long ride, no, from Istanbul, but we're able to make it. We're able to visit yung yung store nila, palengke. They're very vibrant. Then famous food nila is yung kebab, Bursa kebab. I hope we can eat that, no? Or taste sample of that. Yeah. Observe mo yung sa mga sa ilalim ng kahoy, families sharing food, no? Parang they bonding time. Okay. May mga kabayan dito nag-join din. Dalawang kabayan.